The last day of our trip was upon us, and we were finally ready to go home. Internationally renowned Swiss artist Hugo Rondinone's 7 Magic Mountains is a large-scale, site-specific public art installation located near Jean-Dry Lake and Interstate 15. The exhibit was open on May 11th, 2016.
Okay, we are in our last and final Airbnb in Las Vegas. 3-bedroom house. And kids are watching Pokemon. This is where the kids sleep. Right here. It's our last day. And we're checking out some Magic Mountains. 7 of them. Down there. 7 Magic Mountains. Colored boulders stacked on top of each other.
It's so surreal to see these giant rainbow-colored towers. They look like something out of a Dr. Seuss book. As a photographer, backdrops like these are so cool. And Dylan was inspired to make his own mini art installation. Pretty good. And of course, we got some healthy sibling competition going on here.
We are finally finishing up our trip with some shopping. We are at Barstow, Alex. 2-3 more hours, back home. It was a good 9 days. But can't wait to get back and rest.
So thanks everyone for watching our Yellowstone road trip. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, here's some more suggestions. On this channel, I produce entertaining educational travel content, and if that's your thing, please consider subscribing. And with that, I'll see you on the next Pixix adventure.